This particular law that the Assam government is taking up. But we have done our initial communication with states that actually provide us the cattle, which is West Bengal, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, UP. And in this entire matter, the transit and the transportation into the state from these other states should not, in normal circumstances, be an issue. So therefore, all steps will be taken from our side to ensure that this transit of the cattle that is meant for Meghalaya should not be hampered because of the law that's being passed by Assam. But we have not seen the copy of the law, what it says. We'll need to examine what the terms and conditions are and how they plan to do it. And obviously, if there is an issue which is there that's going to hamper our people and our economy, the matter will be taken up not only with Assam government, but we will try to ask central government also to intervene in the matter. But as I said, it will be not possible for me to give an exact comment on this without examining the actual act or the law that they have passed. But as I said in the beginning, that the transit of the cattle from the origin to the destination, which is Meghalaya, normally should not be an issue. And we have had a discussion with the states that are providing this.